let me show you how to fix ChatGPT not working. Whether you're not getting any answers at all or having issues typing in anything, in today's video, let me show you the steps that you can follow in order to solve this issue. Now, the first thing that you can try out is try to clear your browser cache. So to do that, head over to the three dotted line on the top right of the screen, scroll down and click on settings. From the settings of your Google Chrome or whatever browser you're using, you'll see the section called privacy and security. Inside of this, under privacy security, click on the delete browsing data. This way, make sure all of these three options are selected and make sure at least 7 days are selected. This way, now you can click on delete data. Now what this will do, it is going to log you out of most of the accounts that you may have been logged into. If you were logged into ChatGPT as well, you're going to get logged out. So make sure you log it back and try if this solves your issue. If this solution still does not work, the second thing that you can try out is try to make sure that you disable any extensions that you may have. So on the extensions tab inside of your Google Chrome or any web browser, you can try turning or disabling these extensions off. Sometimes these extensions may cause ChatGPT to not work. So make sure you turn that option off or turn these extensions off and try once again. Other than this, what you also need to make sure is that you turn off VPNs. Sometimes using VPNs with ChatGPT may give you some problems. Now, if you tried out all of this and nothing works out, what you can do is use a different browser or a different ChatGPT account. For example, if you're using Google Chrome, you can try using Brave or Microsoft Edge and using a different ChatGPT account in general. So by following these few steps, you'll be able to solve the issue of ChatGPT not working. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos just like this.